What's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're gonna be diving down into what is known as CATVAX.com. So, if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification because it's perfect idea and you will be updated with upcoming videos also. So I briefly studied this platform and looks to me this platform has a massive potential inside and you can generate best return if you join this platform. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research, study this platform, and if you think it can generate best return in the future, so you can join that. But it's a perfect moment to buy CATVAX. So let me clear that you need soul to buy that, so therefore there are plenty of steps how you can buy that. So it's my responsibility to provide you a proper guideline how you can join that, create your wallet, and after that which currency you need to buy it, a CATVAX, and you can easily buy that. So here you can see swap now, chart, DAX tool, and white paper. So each and everything is mentioned and you need not worry about anything. Just open the link and study the platform, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see that. And if you have any question regarding this platform, you can join their community and you will become the member of their community and you will be updated with upcoming news also. And if you have any question regarding this platform, so everything will be clear because the team available 24/7 and they can reply you as soon as possible. Okay, so let's move further. If we scroll down a bit, so guys, I will show you. First we'll discuss the main page, and after that I will tell you all the detail regarding this. So here you can see this is how to buy CATVAX. So I told you there are different steps. You have to follow these steps. First, step one is buy Solana from any exchange. You can use any exchange and buy Solana, whether you can use Binance or any sort of exchange, and you can buy Solana. And after that, create a Soulflare Python wallet. So you need to create a wallet. And step three is transfer Sol to your new made wallet, and you will transfer your Sol to that particular wallet that you create. And after that, swap your Sol with CATVAX. It's so simple. You can copy the address and you can swap with Sol. So this is the process how you can buy CATVAX. So next, if you scroll down a bit, guys, here you can see the contact address is available. You can copy the address and complete the process of buying. So here you can see where to go, the $CATVAX power. You can see here in the heart of the swirling desert where the golden sun and whispered secret of the ancients. So those who don't listen, tale of lessons and discovery and kingdom and building unfolds. So this is the detail about this platform, how it works. So next, if you scroll a bit here, you can see you can swap. How you can swap we'll discuss later. First we'll discuss the main page. So why you have to buy a dollar CATVAX coin? So there is plenty of reason behind that, because of its massive potential, its security, its accuracy, and each and everything include, and that's why it's inspired me to introduce this platform in front of my community. So next you can see here, swap your CATVAX coin now. So you can easily swap your CATVAX coin at any time, and you need Sol for that. And next you find hidden CATVAX treasure. So all details is mentioned. You can easily study that and open the chart and get more information about that. Okay, next, join the CATVAX revolution. So it's a perfect time to join the revolution. You can make your journey by joining CATVAX. And next, links are given, and if you have any question, you can get the answer of a question at the same time by joining the community. Here's the white paper. So let's discuss about the white paper, because white paper is the backbone of any project. It's very important to study the white paper. You can see here exclusive summary, background story, missions, how CAT works, and allocation funds. So there are plenty of things are very important to tell you. 30% of the allocated fund directly It goes to animal and welfare organization. 20% is dedicated to supporting research and providing the individuals allocated. So this is the division of this. So you can see here all the detail about that. Partnership collaboration detail is given, roadmap is mentioned here, and joining CATVAX movement. So each and everything is mentioned here. So it's so simple, and I will post all the links in the description, and if you have any questions, so you can join that. Next, you can see the Twitter. So let's see how much details are there, and when you click on the links, and I'm sure you can get more information regarding CATVAX. So it's very important to study the links. So I will post all the links in description, and you can easily watch that all the details. So apologize for late. It's a network issue, that's why it's taking time. So here's the tutor, and we will check it out again. So here it is. You can see here they have a very strong community on Twitter, 7,334. And next, the details are mentioned here. If we scroll down, you can see here all the detail regarding that. So you can get all the information, and it's your responsibility to verify each and everything, because you are spending money. So it's very important to verify, right? And this is the information that I provide you. Okay, this is all over. I provide you all the detail regarding that. And if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding this platform. So wish you best of luck. So we'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.